Hey everyone, Miss Natalie here with the edtechwizard.com, and I'm here to give you an example of what you can do when to have a backup plan. When you teach with technology, you always need to have a backup plan because sometimes, some days, technology just doesn't work out how we want it to. So have a backup plan for those students who can't access that activity for that class. Have a backup plan for yourself if your slides aren't loading how they usually load, or this activity just isn't quite working. What's your backup plan? Also have a backup plan for your lesson. So I was teaching a lesson using Nearpod, and I had a class with fewer students, and classes with fewer students, those lessons can sometimes go by a lot faster, and you can finish faster than if you had a full class. So what I did with my Nearpod lesson and the extra time I had at the end, I'll show you what I did. It was super duper fast. So I did not leave Nearpod. I knew if I left Nearpod and had students come back to Zoom, then I wouldn't have time to do anything, and I don't want to just awkwardly sit there. I want to fill that time with teaching. So I stayed in Nearpod, and in Nearpod you can quickly add an activity to your lesson. You have a couple options, but you can add in an activity right then and there. You don't have to leave Nearpod, and it is very simple to then fill some time. So let me show you how I did that. So you're in Nearpod teaching your lesson slide. Up at the very top right hand corner you have the button that says add activity. Click on it, and then you have these options to add in right there into your lesson. So true and false, slide, draw, open-ended question, and web content. The open-ended question, draw, and true and false are the ones I find are the fastest and quickest to add on the spot. So I used, for my class, I did the draw slide. You click on it, and then it's going to ask you to add in the instructions you want students to do. You can also add in an image if you would like, and then just make sure to click the share button. And once you do, it will pop up on all student devices, the draw it slide. It's just taking a minute to load. So in your lesson, then you'll see all the student screens that you're able to see draw it. And then when you're done with that activity, down here at the bottom, click close the activity. And you are set. So you're set to add in a quick activity, and you can do that anywhere in your lesson if you need to. Just add that quick activity in it and you are good to go. But I use that a lot for if I am running or if I have extra time. That's why I do that. Okay, thanks for watching, guys. If you want more Nearpod tips and tricks, please follow, like, and subscribe down below, and they'll be coming your way. Bye, guys.